Hi everybody, it's Nikki here and welcome to today's video where I am going to update my This is Pantasy Round 2 project for February. Yes, February. I'm wearing a red lip for February. I hate red lips. Is it on my teeth yet? Probably. I can't see, so I don't care. Well, I do care, but anyway, let's get on with it. This is, of course, a Pantasy Ladies collaboration created by the lovely Ali. I will leave everything you need in the description box below this video, so please do check it out before you leave. So, I have kind of 2.5 rollouts this month, and the half is because it is a set of, I had a set of 3 face masks in for the prompt, what were you? For the bogeyman, and I used my second one. So this was the simple charcoal purifying sheet mask with bamboo charcoal. I was slightly worried that this was going to be one of those that like bubbles up on your face, because I've seen that with the black ones before. Is it still very sticky? Why is it still very sticky? Anyway, it did not do that, so I was okay. I found that this one wasn't quite as saturated with serum, but that was a good thing for me, because the worst thing is when it starts dribbling down your neck as you're wearing it and it just feels really gross and horrible. But this one was really quite nice actually. I really enjoyed this. I just sat back and took those 15 minutes as just time out from my day and put on some like nice ambience music on my phone and just chilled out. And considering my anxiety has been through the roof recently, it was a really good excuse to just take that time to kind of meditate in a way. So I think for me, face masks are more a chance for you to just sit back and relax rather than the goodness that they actually do for your skin. Although saying that, I will say that my skin felt really hydrated and plump and really soft after this one. This is definitely one that I would repurchase in the future, because I did really like it. And I know there is controversy over single-use tissue face masks. However, with a like clay mask that you have to apply over your face and then wash off, those kind of are counterintuitive for me, because is counterintuitive the right word? I don't know, but I'm gonna go with it, because when I wash them off with water afterwards, my face dries up so bad. It will get like really dry patches, the flaky skin and all of that. So it kind of defeats the point of doing a face mask, whereas using a tissue mask does leave my face beautifully hydrated, really nicely moisturized and smooth, and it does the job that I want my mask to do. So yeah, it works for me and what I'm looking for in a face mask. So because I'm not trying to take impurities out of my face, out of my skin, you know, to like purify my skin kind of thing, because I don't suffer with spots very often or acne like that, or blackheads or anything. So I'm really looking for the moisturization in face masks. But I do have one more that I need to use to complete this prompt for the bogeyman. So that's the half, because I still have one more sheet mask to go. I can now throw this in the bin and it can stop sticking up my drawer. Okay. The other 2 products and projects, the bane of Project Panna's lives. The other 2 products that are coming out of the project, one is a D-stash, you knew it was coming, the A England nail polish in the Heart Desires. I mentioned this in my Project Panicure update in January. I'm de-stashing it, I'm not happy with it, I don't like it. The goal was for 5 uses, I believe, and was it 5 uses? don't remember. I think the goal was 5 uses. I've used it twice. I do not need any more times to know that I don't like this. So this is being destashed from my collection. I don't need it, I don't want it. The other one is an actual empty though. Look at that, all empty. You can even see the dough foot in there. I cleaned this sucker out. I did take the stopper out, but I put the stopper back in because I don't know if they will accept this in back to MAC. So I put the stopper back in just in case they will. I don't know if they will because of the special edition cap, I don't know. And is this considered a mini? I'm not sure. But this was the MAC lip gloss in Guilty of Trickery. It was like a clear base but with a gold shimmer in it, and it was really, really nice. I finished it guys. It only took me about 2.5 months to completely finish this, so I'm quite happy with the others that I have in my stash, because I know that if I could just concentrate on them for a couple of months, I can get them out of my collection. Not that I'm in any rush to do that, but it makes me happier to know that I can finish them in 2 months. So yes, that one is all gone, and this one was for Fenrir. So yeah, a Wolves related or trickery product. So that is going into my makeup empties for the end of the year, because I keep my makeup empties but I don't keep any other like skincare or hair care like I ever have hair care empties. So yeah, so that is that. So let's go on to just progress products now. So I have my Benefit Hello Happy foundation in the shade number 5. This does not make me happy because it's in completely the wrong shade. So I mix it up into this little pot here. However, I'm only taking the weight of this because this is mixed with another product. Unfortunately, I have not been able to use up what I mixed in here. To be fair, I mixed more than I would normally do into the pot the last time I used this, so I've not had to use any more of this, so it still weighs the same as last month, which is 37.06 grams. I have still used this, but I've been using other foundations as well. So the next one I am wearing today as an eye base under this look. It is my Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadow in Birthday Wish. I have used this up till last month. I'd used it 9 times. I've used it another 3. Did I mark it down as a use today? No, I didn't. I didn't mark it that I'd used it today. Okay, let's mark it that I used it today. I did use it today. Okay, so this is how I talk to myself, people, in that weird voice. So up until last month, I'd used this 9 times. I've now used it a further 3 times. I do tend to use it as a base or as a kind of one and done kind of look. But look at that. Look at that. I had kind of repressed this last month because it was getting very, very dry. So I added some Duraline to it and repressed it so it was covering the whole pan again. And I have managed to hit pan again. So I have high hopes that I can finish this year, and I should, because it's 4 years old, so it's really not going to last that much longer. I'm looking forward to the summer months. If this hasn't been finished before the summer, when the summer months do hit, I will probably start using this kind of on my shoulders to add a bit of sparkle. Because I really do love this shade. But last month it weighed 17.53 and it now weighs 17.44, so very happy with that. The next few products I haven't used yet. My Ahava body lotion. Now I did say that after Christmas I would get back into using this because I stopped using the Christmas scented Body Shop body lotion that I was using over December. I forgot to use this. quite a few times. So it has only gone from 100.56 grams to 100.52 grams, which is not much. I think I might have used it as a hand cream at some point. Somebody's fire alarm is going off. It's not mine. So yeah, I didn't use this very much, but I will try. I think what it was I got out of the use of, it stopped, it's fine, it wasn't mine. I got out of the rhythm of using it, and I just have to try and get back into that rhythm. So that's that. Then the next few items I have not used. Okay, so the next item is my NYX Milk Jumbo Eye Pencil. So here it is. I sharpened it, guys. I sharpened it because it was getting extremely blunt. But by sharpening it, it did not change. I marked it here on a piece of paper. But it has not changed in height. So literally I've just sharpened down the edges, but the tip was where the blunt bit was. So hopefully if I start using this as an eye base from now on, that will hopefully have some usage next month. I really like the Milk Jumbo Eye Pencil. To be honest, I find using the pure white as an eye base a little bit too bold. Maybe I should have gone for like a cream shade of these jumbo eye pencils rather than the white one. But in the springtime, I may use more pastel eyeshadows. I will probably still do quite grungy looks because that is who I am. I'm a grunge, basically. I should have been a goth. But I'm hoping to try more pastel shades coming up to spring or going into spring. So hopefully this will get some use then, because this will be great to give those pastel eye shadows something to hold on to. So yeah, that's that one. This has gone, it might not have changed in size, but it has changed in weight. It's gone from 9.10 to 8.44, but that was simply from being sharpened. The next item is my L'Oreal Gold Obsessions nail polish in nude gold. I do have it on my hands today, however I do need to repaint my nails. I have only used this the once, so it has gone from 31.10 to 30.61 grams. So I have used this a total of 3 times so far. Yes, darling? Hi, honey, you're home.
Can you come up and show you?
I'm filming at the moment. Can you come in a moment when I've finished? Ta very much. Bless him. Okay, on to the next product, my Bellapierre Loose Pigment. This is a beautiful, beautiful shade, like so. Can't tip it up too far, tip it out, and that's not the way we want to use it up. I have used this twice. So it has gone from 14.98 to 14.97. At this rate, I will still be using this the day before I die. It's going to be here forever. But this is actually in for a usage goal. It's in for 12 uses. I've so far used it twice, so the 2 uses this month has brought that up to 4. So just 8 more uses, and I can roll that out. And then the other one is, for the same prompt, is my Barry M Dazzle Dust in 108, which is this beautiful red shade. I did use this just the once, and this is in for 6 uses, and this has gone from 21.38 to 21.36. So this technically used 0.02 of a gram with just 1 use, and this used 0.01 for 2 uses. How does that make sense? I don't know. I don't know. It's science. It's pure science. But I really love that that red shade. It was actually really, really beautiful when I tried it. I used a jumbo eye pencil. I used a Jumbo Eye Pencil from NYX again, that is in my Shop My Stash, and this is in the shade Rust, and I used that shade over the top of it, and it looked really nice, really pretty. So yeah, that was that one. The next is my... Have I missed something? I've missed something. I'll go back to that in a minute. The next item is my Smooch Duo eyeshadow in the shade Seattle. There it is. This is just in to make a difference to these pans. I'm sort of traveling. I was going to try and see if I could hit side pan and maybe have that as my goal. Maybe. Do you know what? I wasn't very clear on what my goal was for this one. I was just going to keep it in for as long as possible. But I think I'm going to change my goal so I can reduce the amount of products that I'm project panning. I'm going to reduce my goal to just hitting side pan. That then gives me something to focus on, something to work towards. So yeah, I'm very close to side pan on this one, but I still have a ways to go with this one. So yeah, really pretty eyeshadows, very cool toned. And I absolutely love this eyeshadow duo. But I have used this twice, and it has gone from 38.63 to 38.61. So not much use, but hey, any use is some use. And the next one is my MAC lipstick in hashtag Snow Filter. It's gorgeous shade like this. I give you switch. Not that I've swatched anything else, but you know. I have used this twice, which has brought me up to 9 uses, and then this is in for 10 uses, so just one more. And it has gone from 20.36 to 20.33 grams. So one more use and I can roll this out of the project, which is great. I didn't realise I was that close, otherwise I would have used it again. But I really wanted to wear a red lipstick today. The one that I've missed, let me just put that away. The one that I missed was my Pantene hair multiplier. I did use this. Where is this? Pantene. Okay, so this one, minimal use. So was there, known there. This has gone from 106.42 to 105.03. At this rate, to try and finish this, it's gonna take me all year. All bloody year. But hey, we'll get there. So that is it. That is everything. That is my update. So we've had 2.5 empties today. I reckon by next month we will definitely have the lipstick usage goal. What else? I could try and hit side pan on this. Trying to think. I could definitely get that last face mask finished, used up. So yeah, we should be all right. I should be all right for some empties next month. So that is it. That is my update for This is Pantasy round 2. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time.